Welcome to another episode of Beer League Hockey with Wimplestiltskin and I. Today we are going to do the Uni Filter Mod on good old Wimplestiltskin. I hate that word mod, it just sounds so douchey, but anyway, we are going to be replacing this secondary air pump. There's a small foam filter, very much like the filter you would find in your lawnmower or other small engine applications. And so anyway, I guess it's prone to break down and then it falls into the blades of the impeller for the secondary air pump, causing major headaches and pretty good cost. I think it's, from what I've heard on some other people, about $1,200 to replace the secondary air pump if this filter breaks apart and then hits into the impellers and breaks it all apart. So there's a little update that people are doing, replacing that foam filter and just using basically like a cotton gauze type filter, and that's what we're going to do here on Old Wimple in just a moment. Alright, so here's the filter that you can get. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I think it's like 16 bucks. It's a 1-inch inlet there on the filter, and just a basic, like I say, cotton gauze, kind of like K&N type thing. This is where we're going to be replacing it. So I have just a super exciting little 4-banger. So my air pump is here. If you're one of the fortunate few, or fortunate many I should say, that have a V6, your pumps are generally here. Sometimes they're located here, but all of us 4-bangers, the pump is here. All you need is a Torx 25-bit screwdriver bit to get this cover off, and that's what we're going to go grab next. And this should just lift right off. Alright, so there you go. So there's the piece of foam. So this one is kind of, you can tell it's getting kind of old, and it's almost like it's, I don't know, it's not the spongiest anymore. A little dirty. Other ones that I've been seeing online, these are kind of gray. This definitely looks kind of dingy. And right there, the white part, you can see part of the impeller for the injection pump. And that's what this foam piece can break apart and then destroy that. So what we need to do now is get this off here so we can install the filter. That's what we're going to do next. Well, as gently as I tried to remove it, unfortunately the Arizona heat out here kind of makes plastic kind of brittle. So even as gently as I was trying to remove it, I did snap one of the tabs off. So just be careful trying to get that off if you want to keep it, just in case, you know. But anyway, it's off. So now we're going to put on the Uni filter. Alright, okay, so here it is with the new filter installed. Now we're just going to drop her back on there, tighten her up, and Bob's your uncle. make her snug. And again, basically what you want to do is get away from this old dried out foam filter that you have here. Like I said, they I guess it also depends on your climate and stuff, how long they last, but apparently they say about maybe 70 to 80,000 miles. Wimple here is just about to hit 80, and you can definitely feel that you know, the sponge doesn't feel like there's much life left in it. Seems kind of cheap. So these can be rinsed out and, you know, reused just like a K&N or any other kind of cotton gauze filter, or you know, 16 bucks. You can always buy a new one every couple of years or whatever, but it's up to you. But so anyway, now that we've saved our secondary air injection pump, I think it is time to get out of the heat. Alright, so again, like I said, I'm the second owner of Wimple here. So apparently somebody's been under this hood quite a bit because the air injection pump cover is missing. I'll try to find a picture on the interwebs and put it up here what it looks like. But generally you just put that cap back on and it covers over pretty much the top part of the filter. So it covers all of that, so you really can't tell. It sticks out maybe 1/4 of an inch more than the than that little cap that was on there. Other than that though, you really can't tell the difference. So save yourself $1,200 and get the air injection pump Uni filter, get that replaced, 16 bucks. Apparently if that foam gets in the impeller and it damages that, I guess your truck, from what they say, it'll go into limp mode, which means you can do about maybe 20-25 miles an hour just to get you to a service station kind of thing. So if you don't want to be left stranded, apparently these things are supposed to be pretty reliable and bulletproof, but this is one of their little niggling flaws. So yeah, go ahead and just get that swapped out and you should be a little bit safer on the road. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Not sure what else we're going to be doing to old Wimple here. I just happened to be looking on the interwebs and I saw that come up, so I took a look, and like I said, my truck was hitting that 80,000 mile mark, which seems to be where these foam things start to break down. So take a look at your truck and check your mileage. You may want to go ahead and do this swap as well. It's really easy. All you need is a 25-bit Torx screwdriver and about 5 minutes of your time. And thanks for watching. You guys have a good one. Stay safe.